you're being lied to. See, the caramel macchiato really isn't a macchiato. A traditional macchiato is just a shot of espresso with a dollop of foam on top. But today, we're gonna make the caramel macchiato that you know and love. So I added the vanilla and the caramel to my shot glass, more for the viewer, and that way the espresso could actually melt the concoction together. But you can add it to your cup before you add the steamed milk. I'm not gonna lie, we've been conditioned to call this a macchiato, but the truth is that it's a latte. Now don't get me wrong, it's my go-to drink when I go to Starbucks, and it's one of the few drinks that I get at Starbucks. But the reality is, a real macchiato doesn't have that much milk. So now you know, when you order a caramel macchiato, you're really ordering a latte. But overall, still a good drink. Just a nice mixture. I added the caramel and vanilla to my shot glass, and then just so that way it can melt a little bit, but don't go easy on the caramel on top. That's where you're gonna get all your sweetness from. And this right here is, like I said, a traditional macchiato, espresso with a dollop of foam. Let me know which one you prefer. Leave a comment below. Until next time.